Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by installing the Floating App SDK and registering your publisher account. Do that now. Once done, integrate the ad unit ID and drop the banner and native assets into the designated folders so the overlay can render instantly. Make sure to enable overlay, accessibility, and network permissions. These are required for CPM events to fire. Test on one device and watch logs for impressions and requests so you confirm the pipeline works before you proceed to optimization. Now you configure targeting, frequency caps, and viewability rules to protect UX while maximizing CPM. Once set, implement mediation or header bidding so the highest eCPM source wins. Make sure to map creative sizes and timeouts correctly, or you'll waste auctions. Instrument your analytics to record impressions, clicks, viewability, and revenue per 1,000. Then run a /B tests on creative and placement. Monitor latency and error logs closely, because ad load failures directly reduce. Deploy to a staged cohort and watch CPM, fill rate, and retention for at least 7 days. Make small, data-driven scaling moves. When metrics stabilize, tweak pacing and pricing rules. Remove low eCPM bidders and elevate high performers so revenue grows without hurting UX. If impressions or revenue drop, troubleshoot by verifying overlay permissions, SDK versions, ad unit mappings, and network timeout settings. These are the usual culprits. If that fails, roll back the last change, then reapply fixes incrementally while you monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.